Okay, I forgot to pat the root in these. Come right through here, right around, boom, right into it. Soaks up all the length. Doesn't get all tied up in anything. So now I gotta take these apart and lubricate them. We got our PGA1 cable lube. Lubricate the stuff, trying to make the cables work a little freer. We have to have a snapback throttle or it won't let us race, so it has to be able to return all the way back. No excuses. They don't like excuses for safety stuff. Kind of one of those you race or you don't type deals. Okay. This thing off of here. Oh, I tied it up. Dumbass. Why did I do that for? Makes it harder. Okay, so I need to spend some time here making this all work. So you get these cables go up through here, pull it freely. Right now they're all jammed up. Got lubricate inside of here, in and down in here a little bit. Kicked the tripod a couple times too. Get the damn thing out of my foot space and want to be kicked. The first thing I do is get these cables out of here. Somebody zip tied that over there, so you got no room to move this. Nobody can pull the whole thing off the bar. Working a lot easier. Oops. Who did that? Can also put some spray in there and make that easier to take apart. See if that works too. Couldn't hurt. Yeah, it helped a lot. Okay. Cables are out. So now we need to lubricate them. So basically what I do is squirt some lube on them with my fingers. Get them nice and wet. Slip them down in there a couple times. Usually do one at a time, but these are kind of tied together, so over here where I'm working would help too. It's kind of awkward. One cable does not want to keep going. Keeps binding up. I think that's the one that's got the broken spring on it, or the broken cable. The other end. Same deal, lift them up again. Get them to slide in and out. Definitely tight. We gotta do the angles now. These get pretty gummy in here and pretty tight. These are not the high efficiency cables. These are the old ones that have a lot of drag in them. Another advantage to get modern cables. They cost money. We're saving money on this job. You see oil come out the other side, you know they're lubed. Should be lubed now. See a bunch of rust coming out, you know it's full of crap. Alright, I think that's good enough. Oh yeah, look at the rust coming down my finger. You know that's good stuff in there. Go ahead and put another load in there and lubricate the. So we get more rust to come out. One cable does not want to come out. See, the other end's got less drag in it, so it doesn't work. Telling me a lot of drag in a 90 if I want to keep working. Alright, I think that's good enough. Nice and gooey. Can't say they're not lubed now. Nice and rusty. It all worked out on the inside there. Okay. Go to the other side over here. I like to do the same thing. Damn, frayed cable. Cable's frayed right there. It's gonna break. It's the return side, so I don't care. Break all at once. Holding on to that damn thing. I'll do this one at a time. Oh, this cable is really stiff. This is the pull cable too. This is the one that matters. This one here has real heavy drag. That one's free. Look how free it is. This one not so much. We have that big pinch we had right in here. Down in here, I'm sure that's not helping the situation at all. Got a bad spot in it too. Start fraying. Alright, well, lube ain't helping it any. So we'll see what happens. If there's too much drag, we'll have to replace it for sure. Trying not to do that though. Trying to be cheap. Clean off the camera, clean off my fingers. Got lube all over the place. Using oily rag ain't helping. Cleaned off. Clean rag. Goop off your fingers, makes things work a lot easier. Okay, so cables. Go up here and connect them. So fat one here, the one that doesn't want to move. Drag there. Alright. Push this all the way through. Start tightening it up. gravity's going to fight you, so you got to get these up in the air where they're not going to fight you as much. Find a spot to move out of your way a little bit, if that's possible. That one's tight. We got this one here. Twisty, twisty, rip out of your fingers. Where to stop, nobody goes. There you go. Muck. Okay. Everything's fighting me. What a shocker. Okay. Now open the damn cable. You stupid goddamn piece of crap. It's hung up on the motor. Can't come out the top, you're pulling out on the other side. Everything is pulled up. Now all this stuff's fighting me. It's 100% not cooperating with me. It's not going to ever. It can never do. They just fall to the floor. You might have just live with it. You're not going to win against gravity. They're all twisted up too. Okay, let's just get one at a time. There's a sleeve right here, but I can't slide on do it here. I have to do it on the bike, which makes it hard too. So we got our little cable eyelets have to go on there. Oh, the fucking light went off. Stupid camera. So, see the little thing? So that has to go into the cable. That won't stay put. I'm going to do the pull side first. Right there. Pull that sucker up. Get it to stay put long enough to put the piece on it. Slip into your throttle on the pull side. If it'll fucking go in the hole, which it will not because it's full of stupid chrome probably. Nope. It does fit. Just a bit of angle, I guess. Can't feel it because everything's pulling on me. Everything's fighting. Damn it. Why can't I fucking put the damn thing in the hole? Because it won't go in the damn hole. That's why it won't go in the hole. It won't go in the hole because the hole's too damn small. Fits fine in that hole. It don't fit for squat over here. It does when you get it just right. Or at least if you use this one. 50-50 chance of getting one that fits, right? Of course now it won't come out. Even gravity won't let it come out. There, it's going to fall out and be lost. Who knows where the hell it's at? Anyways. Where it falls, nobody knows. You can tell I don't like these stupid throttles. Frustrating. Leave lots of comments how I'm doing it all wrong. Because I know I am. When I'm fighting it so bad. Okay. Make sure you put on this pull side. What that thing just did. want to go in there. I know I just fitted it. Yeah, it goes right in until I try to do this. It will not go in that hole. See? It's not me. I'm going a goddamn hole. Turn around the other way. It goes in halfway. Chrome buildup. I'm going to fix that. I'm going to ream the hole. I'll be back.